I still remember the first story I wrote as an adult. And it was one of those where it was a memoir type, and I was living in the memories and telling, the scenario of what happened. I was telling, not showing. But in doing that, all I did was make people who read that feel bad for me. They didn't have empathy so much as sympathy. I did not pull them in to go on that journey with me. So when you do too much exposition, you don't do enough engagement. Reveal information through action and through dialogue instead, and you're going to bring that reader in with you, and they're not going to just feel empathy for you, they're going to feel the pain that you felt. They're going to feel the celebration of when you came through it. All right? Make sure that you really take it through your action and your dialogue, not through what you're telling them.